Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making some oven baked chicken. If you're interested in seeing how it's done, then keep on watching. I have some leg quarters that I will be using today to make this recipe. I am going to go ahead and wash my chicken with some vinegar. And guys, I did clean my chicken before washing. I am going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on the chicken so that the season can stick to it. Next, I am going to go ahead and season with my dry ingredients, and I will be using some garlic and onion powder, jerk seasoning, red crushed pepper, garlic and herb blend, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, green season blend, and some Jamaican jerk marinade. Guys, this jerk marinade, it is really good. Y'all need to give it a try. It is the Walker's Wood jerk marinade. I really love it. Next, I am going to go ahead and use my hand to rub all that season in and make sure that it is evenly distributed. I am going to cover it and let it marinate overnight for best results. And here I am showing you the seasons that I use. So guys, this is the next day after letting the chicken marinate. I am going to go ahead and place it on the baking tray. I am going to cover it with some aluminum foil and let it bake for about 45 to 55 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Guys, this is how the chicken is looking after 55 minutes. I am going to go ahead and turn them on the other side, and I am going to go ahead and baste the chicken with the liquid that is in the bottom. I am going to cover it again and let it bake for another 20 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So guys, while the chicken is in the oven, I am going to go ahead and prepare the sauce. I will be using some sweet chili sauce, ketchup, soy sauce, sugar, and some grated ginger. So guys, this is it after 20 to 30 minutes. I am basting it with the liquid that is in the bottom. Next, I am going to go ahead and coat it with the sauce on both sides and place it back in the oven for another 5 minutes, and that is it guys. It is that simple. take a look at this chicken. It was so delicious and it was seasoned to the bones, okay? And guys, this is how I will be serving my chicken. I will be having it with some Jamaican rice and peas and some vegetables. Guys, it was so delicious. The chicken was seasoned to the bones, okay? It was so tasty. Y'all need to give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. Bye.